In this position, only one move is winning for white. All of white's other moves allow black to draw the game. If you're not completely sure how to play as white here, watch this video, because in this video I'll explain exactly how to win this as white, teach you one of the most important lessons you'll ever learn in chess, and after watching this video you'll be able to look at this position and instantly find white's winning move. So the first and most important thing you need to know is the concept of the opposition. In this position, the two kings are opposed. White has just moved, white moved here. Now white has the opposition. Why is this important? Well, the white king, both of them control these squares. They can't get past each other. However, now it's black's move. So let's say black moves here, the white king can get past black. And, you know, it's like a rugby game, like when people stood opposite each other, it's like the white king sort of sneaks around. So yeah, that's the opposition. And let's say, make a few moves. If it's black's move now, black has the opposition. If you're the person who's just moved and you've just moved your king in front of your opponent's king, you're the one with the opposition. I know it doesn't seem important now, but this is so important, and you'll see why when we go back to solve the puzzle we just looked at. So we're back to the original position, and if you listen carefully, you'll be able to guess the right answer as to where white should move to win the game. We indeed move our king in front of the enemy king and gain the opposition. So why is this winning? Because the opposition is all about moving the other king out the way. This is the path our pawn wants to go down to promote to a queen. So by getting the opposition, we're moving the king out the way. So let's say the king goes here, we go here. Let's say they go here to try and protect that square. We go here. Now we're forcing the king to move out the way. Now let's say they move here. Our king now moves here, and we're protecting these squares that our pawn needs to go down to promote. It's like rolling a red carpet. We're rolling the red carpet for our pawn. So now the carpet's rolled, our pawn can just walk up. No chance of that pawn being taken now because it's protected by the king. So yeah, we get a queen and we will win the game if you know how to checkmate with a king and queen. So let's look at some of the lines that weren't winning to better understand why the opposition is so important. And also, if you're a bit confused, the best way to sort of get to know it is just sitting by yourself at a board or with a friend with a king and a pawn and just practicing, because I can't show you every single line, but the concepts you will understand for sure. So let's say white wasn't listening carefully to me and they play this move, which is a blunder, because we're allowing black to get the opposition. The white king can't get past black's king because black has the opposition. Black is blocking white's king from being able to roll the red carpet like that. So why can't white just push a pawn? Well, the black king will stay on white's path, the pawn path, and will always block the pawn, keeping the opposition. As you can see, we're not making any progress. And if white thinks, why don't I just push the pawn again? This is a complete draw because this is stalemate. The black king can't move anywhere. So if black knows what they're doing and white doesn't know about the opposition, black can save the game. So, in conclusion, just to sum the video up, even if you can't quite understand all of it, just remember opposition. Always get the opposition. It's the most important thing you'll learn in chess, and the more you think about it, the more you do it, the more you'll understand it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.